no, we lost our way back home. I wonder if there's anyone who can help. Look, there's something in this bush. I wonder if it's a wild animal. Let's ask him for help. What animal is that? It's a lion. A lion. We found a lion. Lion didn't know where my house was. Maybe we can find more animals to ask. Look, there's another wild animal. I wonder what it is. What animal is that? An elephant. An elephant. An elephant. A mama elephant and a baby elephant. I wonder what animal is in there. What animal is that? It's a rhino. A rhino. A mama rhino and a baby rhino. We've got lots of animals. I wonder what's next. What animal is that? A giraffe. A giraffe. A giraffe has a long neck. A giraffe. Look, there's another animal. It's in the bushes. What animal is that? A butterfly. An orange butterfly. A butterfly. I wonder what's making all that ruckus. Come on out. What animal is that? A monkey. A monkey. A monkey. Shh, there's an animal in there. What animal is that? A gorilla. A gorilla. A gorilla. We still haven't found our way back home. I don't remember this waterfall. Let's find more animals. What animal is that? An ostrich. An ostrich. An ostrich is a big bird. They lay big eggs. There's something in there. What animal is that? A crocodile. A crocodile. Look, a crocodile. Let's run away from the crocodile. I'm sure my house must be this way. There's another animal. Let's ask for directions. What animal is that? A hedgehog. A hedgehog. A hedgehog. I think we're getting closer to home. Let's see what animal is next. What animal is that? A snake. A snake. A snake. The snake says it's just over here. Let's keep looking for my house. There's an animal over here. Come out wherever you are. What animal is that? An iguana. An iguana. An iguana is a type of lizard. It's a big lizard. The iguana says we're getting closer. What animal is that? A cheetah. A cheetah. A cheetah. The cheetah says we have to go over the river. Look, there's something in there. I wonder what it is. What animal is that? A fox. A fox. A fox. There's another animal. Look. What animal is that? It's an owl. An owl. An owl is a type of bird. An owl. This looks familiar. I'm almost home. The puzzle pieces are all coming together. Let's ask this animal for help. What animal is that? A bear. A bear. A bear. There's something making noise in that bush. What animal is that? It's a frog. A frog. A frog. The frog says we have to keep going. What animal is that? A wolf. A wolf. A wolf. I remember this lake. This lake is near my house. We're almost there. Let's ask this animal for help. What animal is that? A turtle. Turtle. A turtle. There's something over there. What animal is that? A tiger. A tiger. A tiger. There it is! Thanks to all my animal friends and you, we did it! And look, they all came home with me! Thanks, everybody! We'll see you next time! Do you see that? There's something hiding in the bush. I wonder what it is. What is that? It's an apple. Here comes Mr. Alligator. Nom 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 nom. He ate the apple. Let's find where it goes. Hooray! We found the apple. I wonder what our next fruit is. What is that? It's a banana. Here comes Mr. Alligator. Chomp, chomp. He ate the banana. Let's find where the banana goes. We found the banana. Look, it's a kite. I wonder what that fruit is. What is that? It's an orange. Nom 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 nom. Let's find where the orange goes. Not there. There it is. We found the orange. Meow. Meow. What is that? It's a watermelon. Mr. Alligator loves watermelons. Nom 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 nom. Let's see where the watermelon goes. Can you find it? Good job! There's something behind that bush. What is that? It's a strawberry. Num, 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 num. Let's find where the strawberry goes. Does it go here? We found the strawberry. Hello, Mr. Snail. Look, there's a little fruit. What is that? It's a kiwi. Nom, 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 nom. Let's put the kiwi in the puzzle. Oops. That's not right. There it is. We found the kiwi. Meow. Did you see that? It looks like a yellow fruit. What is that? It's a lemon. He ate the lemon. Can you find the lemon? Hooray! We did it! What is that? It's grapes. Here comes Mr. Alligator. Nom, 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 nom. Can we find the grapes? Hooray! We did it! Look, it's a robot. There's a green fruit behind the bush. What is that? It's an avocado. Nom, 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 nom. Mr. Alligator liked the avocado. Hooray! We did it! Look, it's a blue fruit. What is that? Blueberries. Does Mr. Alligator eat blueberries? Chomp, chomp, chomp. Yes, he does. Let's see where the blueberries go. there's something behind the bush. It's a yellow fruit. What is that? It's a pineapple. Nom 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 nom. Can you find the pineapple? There it is. Take off in 3, 2, 1. Look, I see a red fruit. What is that? Cherries. There's a cherry tree. Nom 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 nom. Let's finish the puzzle. Hooray! We did it! Hi everyone and welcome to the farm. Did you hear that? It sounded like an animal. I wonder what's inside. Let's say peekaboo. Maybe he'll come out. 1, 2, 3. Peekaboo. What animal is that? It's a horse. A horse. It's a horse. I see a brown horse. There's a baby horse. The woman's riding the horse. There's something inside. Let's have a look. What animal is that? A pig. It's a pig. That pig's in the mud. There's some baby pigs. I see 3 little pigs. Look, that pig is black. I hear an animal. Peekaboo. What animal is that? It's a goat. A goat. Look, there's a little goat and a big goat. That goat is eating. Let's feed the goats. I see 1 goat. I see 2 goats. Look, there's something inside. I wonder what it is. What animal is that? It's a cow. A cow. That cow is black and white. I see a baby cow. There's the mommy cow. Let's feed the baby cows. They're drinking milk. What's that? What animal is that? It's a sheep. I hear a sheep. There's lots of sheep over there. Look, baby sheep. Those are lambs. I see lots of white sheep. We saw lots of animals in the barn. Now we'll go to the hay field. There's a truck. Let's go see the animals at the hay field. Do you hear that? There must be something in there. I hear an animal. I wonder what it is. Let's say peekaboo. 1, 2, 3. Peekaboo! What animal is that? It's a dog. Look, a dog is in the hay. I see 2 puppies, 2 baby dogs. There's a dog. I see another dog. Oh, look, there's something in there. What animal is that? A turkey. I see a turkey. I see 3 turkeys. A turkey is a big bird. There's something in there. What animal is that? It's a donkey. A donkey. Let's feed the donkey. The donkey's eating. The donkey's in the field. Look, there's an animal. I wonder what it is. What animal is that? It's a llama. Look, a llama. A mommy llama and a baby llama. I see 3 llamas. That llama is black and white. I hear an animal. What animal is that? It's a chicken. I see a chicken and 4 eggs. There's a baby chicken. That's called a chick. I see chickens. Let's go to the garden now. I bet we'll see lots of animals in the garden. I wonder if any will eat carrots. Let's find some vegetables. The garden. It sounds like there's an animal. I wonder what's in there. Let's say peekaboo. 1, 2, 3. Peekaboo! What animal is that? It's a rabbit. There's a rabbit in the garden. I see a little rabbit. There's a white rabbit. Wow, there's so many rabbits. Do you hear that? I wonder what that is. What animal is that? It's a mole. Wow, a mole. They live underground. That mole is digging. That mole is digging. It's a little black mole. Did you hear that? The puppy's digging something. I wonder what it is. What animal is that? It's a chipmunk. Look, a chipmunk. It's so little. That chipmunk is eating. He has a snack. Hi, chipmunk. I wonder what that is. What animal is that? It's a hedgehog. Look, a hedgehog. A hedgehog has little quills. Aww, it's so sweet. It's a little hedgehog. What is that? There's something near the carrots. Wow, what animal is that? It's a snake. A snake. I see a little snake. Whoa, that's a big snake. There's a green snake. I see a snake. What's that? Peekaboo. What animal is that? It's an armadillo. Wow, it's an armadillo. Now let's go to the flower garden. Something is in that bush. I wonder what it is. Let's say peekaboo. 1, 2, 3. Peekaboo. What animal is that? It's a hummingbird. A hummingbird drinks nectar. There's a hummingbird. That hummingbird is green and blue. I see a hummingbird. Oh, look. There's something in there. What animal is that? It's a butterfly. Wow, a butterfly. I see a blue butterfly. There's so many butterflies. Be gentle. There's something in that bush. What animal is that? It's a snail. A snail. A snail has a hard shell. I think I hear something. What animal is that? It's a spider. A spider. Wow! I see a spider in a web. There's a little spider. Hello, little spider. He's waving. Do you hear that? It sounds like an animal. What animal is that? It's a ladybug. A little red ladybug. Ladybugs have little wings. They can fly. That ladybug's drinking. I see 2 ladybugs. Uh-oh. Something fell down. It's a red apple. Let's find red. Red. Where's red? There it is. Red. I wonder what color's next. Blue. Blueberry. Let's find blue. Blue. Oops. Not that one. There it is. Blue. Oh, look. There's monkeys. Yellow. Banana. Let's find yellow. Yellow. There's yellow. We found it. Purple. Grapes. Let's find purple. Purple. Uh-oh. There it is. Purple. Here comes a vegetable. Orange. Carrot. Let's find orange. 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 Looks like someone's having a picnic. It's a red strawberry. Let's find red. Red. Where's red? There it is. Red. Hello. Something fell down. Green. Broccoli. Let's find green. Green. I wonder where green is. Green. Look, it's a butterfly. Yellow. Lemon. Let's find yellow. Yellow. Not there. There it is. Yellow. It looks like fall on the farm. Look, orange, pumpkin. Let's find orange. Orange. Where's orange? Orange. I wonder what's next. Green. Pear. Let's find green. Green. Is this green? No. Green. Purple. Plum. Let's find purple. Purple. There it is. There's purple. Uh-oh. Look, it's a blue raspberry. Let's find blue. Where is it? Blue. Red chili pepper. Let's find red. 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 I see a tractor. Yellow. Corn. Let's find yellow. Yellow. There it is. There's yellow.